Ginger is remarkable, fresh ginger is remarkable in relieving cough and cold. If you have a simple cough and cold, you can take this mixture, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoonful of ginger juice, 1 teaspoonful of basil juice. If you can find Indian basil, it is great. Otherwise, normal basil, European basil is fine too. And quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it with a teaspoonful of honey and keep taking this mixture throughout the day, 3 to 5 times a day. And of course, whenever there is cough, you have to remember to stop wheat, milk, dairy products definitely, because that produces more mucus. So stop this, have this mixture constantly, and within 3 to 5 days, you will find a difference in your cough and cold.